Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to make use of BitcoinWspectrum on SatoWallet app. First of all, we're gonna have to visit the SatoWallet website at SatoWallet.com, and there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is the PC version. And we're gonna use the PC version right now because I've already installed the PC version on my system and I've signed in. So here's the app, and all you need to sign in is you just need an email address, and set up a password. And this Google Auth right here is another layer of security to make sure your funds are very secure. The funds are on cold storage. And here's the list of coins on the app. We're going to use BitcoinWspectrum, which is right here. And BitcoinWspectrum is 0.001 USD. And here's the amount I have in my wallet. And you can use this search bar right here to search for BitcoinWspectrum. Bitcoin BitcoinWspectrum. Okay, yeah, we're gonna look for BitcoinWspectrum. Okay, you see BitcoinWspectrum is right here. So you just click on the BitcoinWspectrum, and here's the amount I have in my wallet, my BitcoinWspectrum amount, and here's the equivalent amount in USD. And here are the list of transactions. And if you want to send a coin to a friend, you just click this send right here and type in their address. This is not exactly what an address looks like, it's just an example. And then you type in the amount, and the amount is shown in USD as well. If you want to reduce the amount, you can just click here and add. You just click here, and this is the amount of fee deducted, and it's shown in USD too. And you can add a comment, like say, hey, what okay, then after all of that, you can just click your transfer, and then your transfer will begin. And if you want to receive a coin, the person you are receiving from will have to scan this barcode or make use of this address, my address right here. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're gonna move to swap coins. Okay, swap coins, that's auto exchange. Okay, from currency to currency, we're gonna choose a currency right now. So we're using BitcoinWspectrum, and BitcoinWspectrum is right here. So we just click OK and choose another currency to swap to. Okay, we can choose Bitcoin. Say OK. Okay, then here we type in the amount to swap. Let's say 26. Okay, this amount exceeds your balance. And when the amount exceeds your balance, this button right here is not going to show up because it won't be able to swap. But if you want to reduce, you can just click here, and you see now the button shows up and that red text warning disappears. So 8 BitcoinWspectrum is equivalent to 0.01 USD, and it's also equivalent to 0.011 DTX. Okay, so you can just swap after that. Okay, so let's jump to exchange. Okay, this is the market. These are the list of coins available for exchange. So we're gonna look for BitcoinWspectrum right here. Okay, BitcoinWspectrum BTC to BitcoinWspectrum. Okay. These are the list of transactions BTC to BitcoinWspectrum, and well, there's the volume as well. And okay, this is the buying section and this is the selling section. So if you want to buy, you're gonna have to write in the amount. Okay, I'm just gonna type in something right now. It's just an example, and the amount is gonna show in USD as well. So this is and you type in the price. Okay, do the same thing here. Okay, click buy if you want to buy and click sell if you want to sell. By clicking either one of these buttons is gonna make you an order. You're actually making an order. Then you go to my order. Your order is gonna show up right here. And if you don't want to go on with your order, you can just cancel right. There will be a cancel button right here on the order. Then if you want to trade again, you can go back to trade and make another order. This is the history between BTC and BWS coin. So these are the types, prices, and the amount. The types are the bids and ask. Okay, let's go to currency. Well, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. So right now I'm using USD, and it's a pretty long list of coins. So we're just going to pick one to make an example. Okay, let's look for this Hong Kong dollar. Say okay. It's going to take some seconds to change. Done. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins and see. Okay, good. You see right here, before it was showing USD and now it's showing Hong Kong dollar because I just changed my fiat currency. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it.